So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix WhatsApp username not showing in the settings. Okay, so guys, if the WhatsApp username option is missing, so this rollout is likely still reaching your account. To fix this, first thing is guys, you fully update your application because this is the new update. So first, simply open the Play Store. Okay, in the Play Store guys, you go for the option of search and search the option of WhatsApp. Okay, now click on, and if at the place of open, if it shows the update, so guys kindly install it the new update. Okay, after that guys, still having the issue, so guys you try to wait because this feature is newly launched and some of the user are not getting, so you just wait till this is fully released. Okay, currently it is in the test version. First thing. Second thing is guys, you try to navigate the setting and find the option. For this, first of all open your WhatsApp. After that go to this settings and go to the option of settings, and here you go for the account, and guys here you can find your username option. Okay, so this is the way that you can find. Still having the issue, so guys, maybe you just only the one option is be patient because user are major privacy shift. WhatsApp release them in the waves. If your device does not have this feature yet, the account update is still propagating to your device reasons. Okay, and main reason is like maybe what this username is not supported in currently in your region and the country. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.